give me a comfortable fit. Don't do that, you know. Hello Habibis, welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video, another banger. Hey, another banger. Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. This is one of your favorite videos because we are going to be reviewing some bikini bottoms. And if you are new here, my name is Nanji and welcome to the Habibis team. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and thank you for always hitting that video and subscribing and coming back to this channel. So guys, I know I have not been showing you guys hauls because I traveled and then I got sick, like it was insane otherwise. But now I'm not fully 100%, but I am trying. So let's say I'm 80% healed. Okay, so today we are going to be checking out this cutie patooties. So on the first outfit, are you ready guys? Are you ready? So hit that subscribe button. On the first one, we are going to check this out, this white bikini bottom. Okay, tell me why you are all over the place. Like, look at that cutie patootie. This one is really giving what it's supposed to be giving. The quality is not cotton, it's like silk but cotton at the same time, but very light. You know, you gotta air out everything. Come on now. So this one is definitely giving what it's supposed to be giving. I love the fact that it also has a design back at the back. It's like a V kind of shape. Love it, love it, love it. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving. And I know there are people here who don't want to see me wearing this. Trust me, I wear them and I show you how it looks like. This is theory and then there's the practical one. So if you want to see the practical one, you definitely should join the Besties Club down in the description. Join them for real. I'll show you a sneak peek about of just a sneak peek, so definitely watch this until the end. All right, so this is the first one, a white bikini bottom. This is definitely giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. I love a clean kind of bikini bottom. Like, I love to be fresh and clean, and this is definitely giving that. Okay, on the rest, I bought a lot this time. I bought a lot. Oh my god. So on the next one is actually this silk kind of vibe. So I was looking actually for something silky because, as you know, I'm living in UAE, United Arab Emirates, in Dubai. If you don't know what UAE means, anyone knows Dubai. But this and the heat, there's a lot of heat and you don't want to be sticking down there, so you gotta wear something light, and this is what I was going for. Something silky, something comfortable and something light, and this is the vibe I was going for. I love this. The details, let me tell you, the details. Look at that ring. Like, that ring is giving what it's supposed to be giving. I love it. Like, I love a good type of bikini. I love a good bottoms, because a good bottoms makes you feel good, makes you look good. Okay, it makes you look good in the mirror with you alone or with a man, but makes you really feel good when you're outside. So I got this in brown. That's the first one. I got this in nude. So it's not white, right? It's nude. I love it. Oh my god. And also, by the way, talking about stretching, it can stretch approximately so many meters, whatever you want. Like, I love it. And they have like a cotton pad, by the way, here, so it's not like you're going to just be in the silky pad. No, you're gonna have the cotton pad as well, which is going to make you feel good and comfortable. Don't forget the comfortability. Love a good bikini bottom. This is a nude color. Love it. What? Like, what? It's it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. Wow, what do you think, guys? By the time we're here, like, what do you think? Me, I like it. Oh my god, we have so many more. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The next one is in maroon. Okay, I'm not sure if this is maroon or brown or whatever color you see. Like, it looks dark maroon but brown but very light brown. Like, I don't know, but also this color is gorgeous. Look at my skin, and that color looks gorgeous, looks fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. And of course the details as well. It got the ring, and it's also a bit stretchy, and here it won't hurt you. You know me, I don't like wearing something and then I keep on doing like when I'm walking. Like, I don't like that. Like, I love a comfortable fit, and this is what I want. Like, give me a comfortable fit. Don't do that, you know. Don't give me something that is not comfortable. But this is really comfortable, and I love the color. Oh my god, to die for. I love a good bikini bottom, honestly. Like, I'm such a bikini bottom person. Like, I really love, like, to take care of myself and like my flower. Like, my flower is me. Like, if I don't take care of that, then I won't feel good, you know. That's the maroon color. And then we got the black. Of course, you must have a black. You must. Black goes with everything. Black goes with this, that, those, everything. And this black is definitely giving. I love black, by the way. Like, black, you don't even have to say a lot about black. Black just gives what it's supposed to be giving. Like, that's about right? Like, that's just black. Like, it's black. Why are we supposed to talk about black? Like, come on. But it's really good, and also the material, same thing, really comfortable. So the last one, before I say the last one, if you'd like to see me trying this outfit or this bikini bottoms, definitely join the besties, and the link is down in my description. Easy, join, watch, enjoy, entertain, and have a good time. That's it. That's my motto. Just have a good time. Okay, the last but not least is this white. Me and white. You've already realized, me and white. Like, why are you not having a white bikini bottom in your closet? Why? I know the ladies sometimes are lazy, sorry, but like, they're like, you know, it's a stain and all that. Baby, let me tell you, back when I was at home, or rather in school, we used to wash it like this, like literally with your hand, until it is sparkling clean. You can even soak it into Clorox or something, and for the stains to get out, and have your white panty back. Like, you must have a white panty. It's a clean, fresh, it gives a clean kind of fresh vibe. Even when you wear it, you feel clean, you feel a good vibe, you feel like a girl. That's what I'm trying to say. You feel like an ultimate girl. This is definitely giving that type of vibe. So you better have your white bikini bottoms in your closet. Sneaky peek. So if you've enjoyed the sneaky peek, definitely join their besties. Otherwise, guys, these are all the bikini bottoms. Love it. What do you think, guys? Let me know which is your color favorite and which one you'd love to see me in. Let me know. Let me know, because me, I always say bikini bottoms is just an outfit. Like, it's just an outfit, but it makes you feel really gorgeous, really beautiful as a woman. And for me, I'm more of like making myself as a woman feel good, because nobody's gonna be bringing happiness to my life apart from myself. And a good pair of bikinis bottoms is a good pair of bra. That one, yes, that's it. So these are my favorites. I love it, because summer is coming and I need something less hot. I don't want to sweat inside it down there. Come on, because when you sweat, you stink. Okay, Otherwise, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. By the way, I've got a lot of videos to come, like for real. Like, I have so much planned now that I am almost getting healed 100%. Trust me. You don't want to be missed. You don't want to miss out, so better hit that subscribe button. We are road to 10,000 darlings. Our goal was actually to get to 10,000 by April, but otherwise, guys, I'll see you again in the next video. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.